Hello friends, once again I Vijay Kumar from Jagraon working as English teacher at Government Senior Secondary Smart School Galip Kalam welcoming you to EduDesk. In today's video, we are going to learn some pair of words that generally confuse us many a time. So without wasting time anymore, let's begin. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Pair of words. Number 1, accept, accept, accept means to admit, स्वीकार करना या मान लेना. सेंटेंस है आई एक्सेप्टेड हिज ऑफर. दूसरा है एक्सेप्ट मीनिंग अदर देन, दे बिना. सेंटेंस एक्सेप्ट राम ऑल वर प्रेजेंट. नंबर 2, alter, altar, alter means to change, बदलना. सेंटेंस है you should not alter your decision. दूसरा सी altar, a place of worship, पूजा स्थान. All bowed their heads at the altar. Number 3, adapt, adopt, adapt. Adapt mean to fit, टालना. Sentence you should adapt yourself accordingly. Adopt to take up मतलब गोद लेना. सेंटेंस है she will adopt this child. Adapt skillful, mahir. Sentence she is adept in painting. Number 4, assess, access. assess approach मतलब पहुंच. सेंटेंस I have no access to the MLA. Excess सरप्लस मतलब बहुतात, जरूरत तो ज्यादा, जरूरत तो वध. सेंटेंस excess of everything is bad. Number 5, advise, advice, advise suggest मतलब सलाह देनी. सेंटेंस he advised me to work hard. Advice suggestion मतलब सलाह. सेंटेंस his advice helped me a lot. Number 6, angle and angel. angle, intersecting point of two lines, मतलब कोण. Sentence: make an angle of. Sentence: she has an amiable nature. Amicable, peaceful, मतलब शांतिपूर्ण. Sentence: they reached an amicable settlement. Number 9. Affect, effect. Affect, to influence, प्रभाव पाना या प्रभावित करना. Sentence: overwork affected her health. Effect, result, मतलब प्रभाव. Sentence: my advice left no effect on him. Number 10. Artisan and artist. Artisan, professional, मतलब कारीगर. Sentence: a blacksmith is an artisan. Artist, skilled in creative activity, मतलब कलाकार. Sentence: a painter is an artist. Number 11. Bail and bail. Bail, BAIL, money for assurance. Zamanat. Sentence: he was released on bail. Bail, bunch, मतलब गंड. He bought 2 bales of cotton. Number 12. Bear and beer. Bear, without, नंगा. Sentence: do not walk barefooted. Bear, to take or carry. मतलब सहन करना. Sentence: I can't bear your insult. Number 13, battle and war. Battle, a military fight. मतलब लड़ाई. Sentence: our army won the battle. War, big conflict between countries. युद्ध. Sentence: there is a chance of Third World War. Number 14, born and born. Born, to take birth. जन्म लेना. Sentence: he was born in a royal family. Born, to carry. मतलब सहन कीता. Sentence: I have borne many difficulties. Number 15, bridle and bridle. Bridle, related to the marriage. ब्याह संबंधी. Sentence: she has gone for bridal makeup. Bridle, leash used to control the horse. लगाम. Sentence: I can't bridle this horse. Number 16, birth and birth. Birth, beginning or childbirth. मतलब जन्म. Sentence: write your date of birth here. Birth, sleeper like seat in railways coach. मतलब ਗੱਡੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੌਣ ਦੀ ਥਾਂ. Sentence: she booked a berth in the train. Number 17, break and break. Break, to breach into pieces. मतलब तोड़ना. Sentence: you should not break the glass. Break, stopping a device. मतलब रोकना. Sentence: she applied brakes to stop the car. Number 18, cannon and cannon. Canon, rules. मतलब आदर्श या नियम. Sentence: canons of morality are most important. Cannon, a large gun. तोप. Sentence: He shot cannon fires on enemy. Number 19. Canvas, canvas, canvas. Rough or coarse material, मतलब खुरदरा. Sentence: he paint a painting on canvas. Canvas. Try to get favor, मतलब समर्थन प्राप्त करन दी कोशिश करनी. Sentence: he was canvassing for votes. Number 20. Carrier and career. Carrier, that carries or transmit things. Vahak. Sentence: my bicycle has no carrier. Career. Settlement process of life. जिंदगी बनाउन संबंधी. Sentence: he is not serious about his career. This is the end of part 1. Thank you all. Thank you very much.